So friends, how to put an alert? So what you have to do, for example, this is a gold chart. So what we can do for price alert, you have to just click this. Like for example, I will just click this and add alert. So as soon as price hits say 123306, we will get a alert in email and also at TradingView. And for example, if you want to put an indicator alert, which is very good. See, indicator alert is not provided by everybody. So you can put an indicator alert also. For example, I want when RSI is above 55 in 15 minutes time frame, you can put an alert from here. Okay, so that's the beauty of this. You can put an alert for everything. You can put an alert for RSI, for VWAP, for AVWAP, everything we can put an alert. For example, right now gold is at 122. Let me put an alert for gold at say 12252. So you can put multiple alert for indicator as well as for price so that whenever any alert comes, it get triggers. See, this is how alert will be shown here. You will get an alert over email also and here also. As soon as price reach here, we got an alert. You can edit this alert, you can modify the alert, you can put alert on this. Hope this video helps you in putting alerts. Thank you so much.